morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. My class and all its associates are working for the development of your listening and speaking skills. You have to spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day for your own development. Today I'll read a beautiful story with a striking lesson for all of us. Try to follow me. I know you can do the work. Yes, you can. Now the story. But I want to let you know the name of the story right now. You will know the name of the story and its moral at the end. Let's start. There were times when Mercury, between Athens and Olympus, yearned to know whether he still was held in high esteem by mankind. So one day, disguising himself as a traveler, he visited a sculpture studio. Walking about among the many statues displayed there, he pointed to an image of Jupiter. How much are you asking for this odd piece? He asked. I'll let you have that one cheap, replied the sculptor. It is one of our less popular numbers, 1 drachma. Mercury laughed in his sleeve. Then he asked, How much for this stout lady here? The sculptor said, Oh, that one is Juno. I have to get a little more for females. Mercury's eye now caught sight of an image of himself, thinking that as messenger of the gods and source of all commercial gain, his image would command a gratifying high price. He said, I see you have a very handsome statue there of Mercury. How high do you value that excellent likeness? Well, replied the sculptor, I am willing to make you a bargain. If you pay me the price I quoted to you on the other two statues, I'll throw this one in free. The name of the story is Mercury and the Sculpture, and the moral, he who seeks a compliment sometimes discovers the truth.